Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It is Wednesday, the 30th of June. And at midday, we're seeing sunshine. And of course, we're also seeing temperatures climbing up into the 90s once again. We'll probably finish a little bit lower than yesterday, but still, many places will reach the mid 90s, and some hot spots will probably reach the upper 90s. Now, to the west, you'll notice clouds moving eastward through Wisconsin and Illinois, and you can see the lightning strikes that are going on through central Illinois as thunderstorms are moving eastward. And that is the next impulse that is going to be driving the forecast for the next couple of days. Behind it is some very cool dry air. That'll be the payoff. But ahead of it, we are going to have some issues. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk for isolated severe thunderstorms. Probably not so much during the afternoon, although there could be a few that pop up, but perhaps for the overnight as that Midwest system moves to the east. And as we take a look at tomorrow, we do have a risk area for tomorrow. I'm just going to shift the map over there a little bit. We have a small area of marginal risk, central and South Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, down into Maryland and Virginia, with general thunderstorms pushed up to the north into the Hudson Valley. The weather system for Thursday into Friday is going to create some flash flood issues, perhaps. And we have the Weather Prediction Center indicating a slight risk or a 15 to 40% chance for some localized flash flooding. It's going to be another one of those instances where we could wind up seeing anywhere from an inch and a half to maybe as much as 2.5 inches. But whenever you're dealing with a convective situation like this in the summertime, we've seen it all too often where you wind up in some local areas with double those amounts. So we will continue with our hot temperatures and our humid conditions this afternoon. Again, there could be a few pop-up storms going into this evening. And then overnight, as this weather system moves eastward, models start picking up on some convection tomorrow morning around daybreak or shortly after, and then showers and storms will become more numerous as the cold front and a wave on that front move eastward. And you can see how the European has an area of rather heavy rain for Thursday night into Friday morning. And then, as long as the wave moves eastward and pushes the front out, we should start to see improvement later in the afternoon on Friday. Nice and cool and dry for Saturday, and the dry air will last at least into Monday of next week.